Hello guys, you're welcome to Stock Projects channel. Today, if you're new, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our current and future stock updates. Today we'll be looking at AMC stock. AMC stock, and AMC stock is from AMC Entertainment Holding Incorporated in the United States of America, and we are looking at the New York Stock Exchange. We are looking at the New York Stock Exchange. Looking at the graph today, you see the 5-minute chart currently as at the closing of the stock on Friday. AMC stock closed at $3.30, and a quick look at the 24-hour movement of the price of AMC. You could see a lot of undulating movement. Looking at the 5-minute chart, we understand some persons could earn from shorts. They could earn from short changes in the graph. They could earn from short changes in price levels. We'll look at the 5-minute chart. We'll look at the 30-minute chart. We'll look at the 1-hour chart, and we'll also look at the 24 hours chart. All right, a quick one. When you look at the 24 hours chart, which is the 1-day chart, you see a bearish movement, though with some spike. You see a bearish movement at this level. You see a bearish movement at this level. You see a bearish movement at this level as well. And then at the end of Friday, you see some bullish movement. Bullish movement has to do with an upward movement in the price. And at this moment, you see some trough. You see some bearish movement at this point. You see some bearish movement at this point in time. So sometimes when looking at the chart, looking at the trend, one may predict a progressive downward trend. One may predict a progressive downward trend. That's looking at the 24 hours chart. One may be tempted to predict a bearish movement. One may be tempted to look at the bearish movement, and also looking at how it has fallen from where it was. At this point, it had reached a point as at $3.98. It had reached a point of $3.98, falling from that point to $3.30. It gives you some bearish run. So looking at the 1-hour range, you see that it appears to be bouncing back. It appears to be bouncing back. It appears to be bouncing back from this price level of $2.48 to this point of $3 to this point of $3.90, $3.36, $3.36. That's for the 1-hour range. Let's look at the 30-minute range, 30 minutes chart. When you look at the 30 minutes chart, you see that it's actually going on a bull. It's actually going on a bull. But mind you need some lots of professionalism. You need some lots of experience and expertise to trade on short squeezes. You need some level of professionalism to trade on short squeezes, because if you're not a professional, you could lose a lot of money within a very short time. Within 5-minute time, within 30 minutes time, you could lose a big money. You could lose a lot of money. So it's very good you have some level of expertise, because from this point, between this point where the stock price was at $2.83, and this point where the stock price is at $3.30, it could actually convert so much. And also looking at it between this price, between this bullish price, okay, this bullish price of $3.44 and this bearish price of $2.86, you could also make a lot of money on AMC. AMC stock is a stock to watch out for. It's a stock to watch out for. Between this point of $3.52 to this point of $3.13, that's a bearish point. You could actually make a lot of money as well, depending on the number of pips, depending on your investment, between this point of $2.75 and this point of $3.46, you could actually make a lot of money. So looking at the 5-minute chart, you see that there are lots of opportunity in this in this uh, in this AMC stock. AMC stock is a stock to look at for. It's a stock to trade. It's a stock to look at for. I understand in the next couple of minutes we'll be entering a new trading week. So what do you think is your prediction? Do you think it's gonna keep going high or it's gonna go low? It's gonna go low. So looking at the 5-minute data, you see some short squeezes. So you really think it's going to go high or it's going to go on a low? It's going to go on a low. Hit me up in the comment section. Let's know your take on the prediction of this AMC stock. But for me, looking at the 5-minute chart and the 30-minute chart, the 1-hour chart and the 1-day chart, it appears it's going to bounce back on the bull on short squeezes. So you could only make some more money if you're looking at making some money on AMC stock. You need to grow your expertise on short squeezes because that's where the benefit, that's where the gain is lying. So that's all I have for you today. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know your concern. Let me know your question. If you're among those that made some good money in the last short squeeze, let me know so that we can have some engaging time out. Thank you so much for watching.